In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in a Volvo S60 key fob. This is an easy process. It'll just take you a few minutes to do at home. All you'll need is a CR2032 battery, which you can get online. And if you would like to, I have left a link down in the description that will take you over to Amazon where you can find these batteries for a great price. The only other thing you'll need is a Torx head screwdriver. So you can see there's this star-shaped screw on the back. This is a Torx head, and this is a size 8. So if you don't have these, we will also leave a link in the description to get a cheap set of Torx head screwdrivers. And this is the only tricky part, it's just having the right screwdriver. From here, or to start, we're just going to remove this screw. And once we are inside, start to open it up, and then don't just snap it all the way out because you can see there are these 2 plastic tabs there. So once you have it open, just push up so that it slides off of those tabs. And now you can just lift it up with your fingernail, or you can use a flathead screwdriver or something just to gently lift up the battery so you can get rid of the old one. Now take your new CR2032 and make sure that when you're putting it in, the positive side that has the plus sign on it is facing down. And you'll just snap that into place, positive side down. And now we can put it back together. So first put these tabs in to kind of slide it down. Just do the reverse of what we did before squeezing it all together, and put your screw back in there and just tighten it up. There we go. That's all it takes. You should be good to go for a long time now with that new battery in there. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, feel free to let me know down in the comments, or just by giving this video a like, which we greatly appreciate. And you can also, if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here to this channel and we'll have you covered with a video just like this one. And you can get all of this information and more over at our website, FobBattery.com.